Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a regular license plate bulb to an LED light bulb on an FX35, 37 and a QX70. So if you can see that bulb right there, that's the regular brightness of what came with. So I'm going to show you how to replace that without accessing that plate down there, because that's going to be a pain in the butt to remove. Alright, so first let's open up the trunk. Nope, down here. Alright, so we're going to access all the clips. We're going to remove all the clips that secures this cover. This cover right here all the way around. So it's really easy. So let's pop this one out. A little camera is too close there, so let's just push this step just so. You're gonna access that. This one, same deal. Just push that little pin. Oop. Just so. Alright, so all those four secure pin are now pushed, and we're just gonna pull it out just so. Sorry about the video, it's a little blurry here, but I mean, I'm pretty sure hoping you guys can see it. So that's one of them. I'll take the second one off. There you go. Alright, but before you completely remove all these four, make sure you grab, oh, that fell. And this one here. There you go. So we got all four out, and then we'll pop this one on the side. It's just a little wiggle it a little bit or pry it out. Come on, hang on. Alright, just pull this thing. There you go. So now that's out. Then we'll go to the next one. There you go. So this handy dandy tool. Come on, get out of there. See, that just fell off. Alright, so now that's out. And we're gonna take this cover plate off. Alright, we're gonna take this cover plate off. Just right like that. See, that comes out. And so is this one here. Sorry about the camera quality, but I'm getting it. Yep, just like that. So once those two are popped, now you can pull the cover off. They're just secured by pins inside. And make sure you just pull this thing so that comes off, and so as this one here, right here. Right, this little thing. There you go. So now they're off. We're gonna pop them really slowly, starting right here in the end, just like that. Ooh, don't fall on me now. Okay. There you go. And up here, yep. On this side. There you go. About this thing. There. And they just fall right off. Alright. Sorry about that. Now that's that aside. You'll now have your back exposed. Now you can access all sorts of light back here, or bulb. Like this one here is for your reverse light. Right there. And for the license plate, it's actually right there. I don't know if you see it, but that's the access for your license plate. Voila. There's one. And there's two. Cool. Looks like that's the before LEDs. And I got these package of 20 LED bulbs. And we're going to replace that guy right there with an LED. There you go. So they're now both LED, and we're gonna test that before we put it back in that little slot. And there you go. They're both on, and now we can put that back in that hole right there. That's where the license plate. Alright, come on. Alright, make sure it's secure in there. And go to the next one. Come on. There. So now they're both in. Gonna test that top. Yep, there you go. Now they're both LED, which will give a good shine on our license plate. So now we're gonna put the plate back, or the cover back on, just how you removed it in reverse. Alright, 1 sec. Alright, putting it back on, you just have to feel the little pins. It's a good way to start down here, and then you kind of like hammer it down gently. Just so, and you work your way up. You'll actually hear it when they go in. Just so, work your way up here. Yep, there you go. Once it's secure, just put this little pin back in the hole to secure it. Push that thing, and so on. And once it's secure, just pop this right back in. So is this LED lamp. Just so. Push this guy in, and there you go. Now let's try it. Alright, let's check it out. And there you have it. LEDs on your license tag. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope this is helpful. Just shoot me a text or a message down below if you have any question. Thanks. Bye.